Today I'm going to be showing you a Mac fix. So what I mean to Mac fix is that there is some problems with the Discord bot thing. Now I originally thought that using the method that I showed, you can just use this on any computer. Not true. Linux, yes, it works on Linux as well with the same methods that I showed. But on Mac, this is a different thing. Now you might have gotten an error previously if you've ran your script. Now not this error, but you'll probably get a script error that looks a little bit like this right here. You might get something like this. It says line 1 in module import Discord. No module name Discord. So even though you can see we have Discord in here, it's not really being able to be downloaded or anything like that, pretty much, is from my understanding. So let's go to PyCharm here, let's go to preferences, and let's try to just get the package. Let's get discord.py. So if we try to get discord.py, so let's try to get discord.py real quick. And now you're going to see that when we try to get discord.py, it's going to run an error. And this is the error that you're going to see here. So you're going to see this error. So it might not show up in terminal, but you'll see that it's going to say something like error here, failed building with y'all or whatever. And I don't exactly know why this works, or wait, no, how this happens. But to be honest, I found a fix to it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do some more research on why this error actually happens, but, well, as it's now, I just don't really understand it, so I'm just going to show you the fix. So as soon as you download it, it's going to give you this error right here, details. You can go here, and you're going to see that we're going to get the same error right here, accelerated build.py, all this. So, how do you fix this? Well, as you can see in the other one, I actually have this fixed, but how do you fix it? So, let's go ahead and start off with the command prompt. So you're going to need command prompt, or I call it command prompt, but it's actually called terminal. To open terminal, you either go up to the search icon here, or I forgot the command for it, but there is a way to open it without having to do that. Terminal here. So this is terminal. You're just going to open it. So now that you have terminal open, you're going to have to use a couple commands here that I have actually on a note, I believe. So these are some more of those errors here, but that was just so I could try to figure those out later. But here we go. So let's start off with pip3. You probably have pip3 on your computer already, so you don't need to worry about that. If you want to see if you actually have it installed on your computer, just type pip3, and then you're going to see a whole bunch of this on here. Now, if you want to see what versions of pip3 you have, you can actually do, or what versions of pip you have, you can do pip, and then double tap tab, or tap tab once, and then double tap it. You don't have to double tap it like I did, but I kind of did the screw up. But now you can see here that we got pip3, pip 3.8, and pip 3.9. Those are the versions I'm going to be using, but there is new updated versions, but I'm going to be using older version of pip because I'm too lazy to install the newest version. So, what the first command is pip your version after this, so mine's pip 3.8, install Discord. So this should work if you run it. Now, as you can see, it says satisfied right here, requirement already satisfied, because I've already installed this package, so it doesn't really matter to me. So one thing that I'll show you real quick is that if I were to uninstall using pip 3.8 uninstall and uninstall Discord. If I were to uninstall the Discord library, which I'm not going to, but you can see here that this is where it's saved to. So this is the Discord where it's saved to. So we don't want to delete this, so we're just going to click no. Now the next command is sudo pip 3.8, or your version, install certify. So certify is, I'm pretty sure it's the framework for Python. There we go. Now you're going to have to enter your password, so just going to have to do that. It doesn't actually show up on screen, but you're going to have to type it anyways. And now you can see that it's already satisfied because I already have it. Python framework, yeah. So, now that we have all this, you don't need to have your bash command open anymore. And now you should see that when you come back to your project, go up to PyCharm up here, preferences, Python interpreter, and then you just want to see that you have Discord now. So you'll have Discord now in your thing. Now I have already installed Discord.py, but if I were to do this, it will actually, so sorry. Go to your interpreter, and then when you have the interpreter, you're probably going to be on your original 3.9. Just go down to whatever version it says here. So it should say something like user local bin Python 3, not 3.9. Or if it says 3.8, you should already be good, and this should not even be an error for you at all. So just go to the second one down here, or the duplicate, and now you should have Discord. So if you don't have Discord.py, you can just do Discord.py and reinstall it. Or if you don't have Discord, you can just do Discord. And then it should install properly. So I messed up some of the coding here, so that's why it's going to run an error, but you'll see that we won't have the same errors as this is not a thing anymore. This actually is working all fine, but you see it has a connection error because you can't create a Discord bot on, I believe, a school computer. This just doesn't work. Or school or work computer, because you're connected to the administrator and he probably blocked it. But if you are somehow able to bypass with maybe a worldwide bypass or something like that, you could actually have the Discord client open and connect. But the only way to do this is by getting a worldwide bypass, because doing the bypass normally, as in, well, let's say, using a VPN or a proxy or something like that on your browser that unblocks sites, the only way to actually use Discord from that is from being at home or something along the lines of that, because your MAC address is different from your administrator's, so you can't really block things. So, small lessons here are, well, just, you can't do this at school because blocked most of the time. And that's about it. This should be all for the tutorial, but I'm just going to show you that this bot does work, in fact, and it's no scam here. So let's do this. And let's go ahead and type the password in. Alright, it doesn't show my password. Good. There we go. Let's go ahead and do the I'm not a robot test here. So, yeah, these are just the Mac errors, but you have to also have Discord open to be able to run this. That's why. New location login detected. Please recheck your email. Yeah. Alright, so that's really the only thing I see here that's really messed up. So just know that if you're going to do this, you can't really show your friends or something like that, because when the Discord administrator blocks this, you can't really connect to the thingy thing, so it's whatever. There we go. Alright. So now we have Discord open. We're going to go to our my server here. So this is my server. You see the bot's offline, but now we should be able to just run this bot. Alright, more connection errors. Alright, well, you get the point anyways. These connection errors will go away if I fix the script, but I actually haven't fixed the script at all. But just keep this in mind. So, if you need help, leave anything in the comments. I'm going to be uploading a video pretty soon, so stay in touch for that. It's going to be a how to learn Python tutorial, because, well, learning Python is actually really easy, so why not? Alright, and have a great day, I guess. Bye.